Hey there, Lincoln here from bullacademy.org. Today I want to say thank you to all of you for all of the support that you've given me over the last 11 weeks, almost 3 months now since I started this YouTube channel, to simplify and explain investing concepts in a way that we all can understand so that we can invest into our future the right way. It's only been 11 weeks and we've published 46 videos to teach the investing concepts that you need to know to get started. We've covered what stocks are, what stock splits are, what stock warrants are, right? We've covered so many things on this channel and we're just getting started. And along the way, we've preached and practiced the bull mentality, right? The bull mentality is that we know what we invest in. We understand what we invest in. We believe in what we invest in and we hold for the long term because that's how we build wealth in this country. That's how we give ourselves the best chance at success on the stock market. So I want to say thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Those 46 videos have been viewed 110,000 times by all of you for over 8,200 watch hours. That's just about 500 hours shy of a year, 20 days shy of 1 year, right? You've all have been engaged in learning how to invest the right way, learning how to practice the bull mentality, learning what it takes to build long-lasting, sustainable wealth, right? You have committed to building your wealth the right way, and I commend you for that. It's not easy to skip the fun stuff on YouTube and all the silly stuff and go in and watch a channel that covers just investing topics, right? You could be watching, I don't know, PewDiePie or whatever else there is on YouTube, but every day you choose to watch the Bull Academy to learn how to build your wealth, to learn how to set up yourself, your family, and your friends for the future that you would like to see, right? You don't just get to retirement. You don't just get to financial freedom. You have to work at it every single day, and you're putting in the work just by being here every day and learning how to invest the right way, learning how to practice the bull mentality. That is something special. They say most people lose their money when they invest in the stock market. But why does that happen? Because they take the wrong approach. They're in it to get rich quick, right? They don't understand the concepts. They don't understand the fundamentals. They don't even understand what stocks are. They don't understand what market capitalization is, right? They don't understand what stock splits are or how to avoid the hype and the FOMO, right? And they chase the fast money with the day traders and the swing traders, right? And they come crashing down, all of the hype fades. And they give up, but not you. You're in it for the right reasons. You're in it with the right approach. You're a long-term investor. You're investing for your future. You're investing with patience. You're taking your time to understand what you're doing, to find great companies that you understand and that you believe in, and you plan to hold for the long term and benefit from the appreciation of the value of those assets, right? Because that's how we build wealth. And you understand that because you choose every day to come here and watch these videos at bullacademy.org, right? So I commend you, I applaud you for all of your dedication, for all of your commitment to your future. As you could tell by the title of this video, we've reached 1,000 subscribers this weekend. It took us 11 weeks to do, and that's not a small feat, right? And we couldn't have done it without you. Without all of your support, without all of your commitment to coming back every day and learning. So I thank you for that. This is not a small deal to me, right? I enjoy teaching, I enjoy sharing knowledge, and I appreciate you watching these videos and engaging with me. So let's look forward to the next steps. I look forward to breaking down more topics, to simplify more investment concepts, right? For all of you to understand. I look forward to analyzing more company stocks, right? Breaking down the financials. I want to publish many more videos than I currently do, but I'm going to need your help to achieve those goals. Each of these videos take me at least a couple hours to research, record, edit, and publish. Every 5 minutes of a video takes me about half an hour to record and then another hour or two to edit. That means I can only do about 1 video every other day or even just 3 videos a week, right? There are many topics that I want to cover for all of you. Many companies that I can break down and analyze that you guys continue to ask me to do. But at my current capacity, I can only do so much each day. And then of course your responses, your comments. I enjoy responding to your comments. I enjoy answering your questions, right? And engaging with you all. But at this point, I'm starting to get 100 comments on each video, and I'm not going to be able to get to everyone as quickly as I would like to. And sometimes I might not even have enough time to get to every comment as much as I would like to. And I hate to say this, but this is part of the growing pain of a channel. The larger the channel gets, the harder it's going to be for me to continue to engage with everyone as quickly as I would like to. And many of you realize that, right? Many of you have asked me to start a Discord channel so that you all can have more direct access to me and ask me more questions, more personal questions about companies that you're invested in and what my thoughts are on specific concepts, and stay up to date on my portfolio and which stocks I'm following and which SPACs I'm watching, right? I learn about SPACs very quickly because I keep up to date with all the news out there. And many of you have asked me to share with you more often which SPACs I'm following. So I would love to do all of that. And finally, I want to continue to produce videos at the highest quality for all of you. There are many channels out there that just cover news on the stock market, but it's important to me to not just cover news, but to teach the investing concepts so that you can actually invest in these companies the right way. It doesn't do you much good to show you a bunch of news on companies if you don't understand what they are, how they work, and how to actually invest in them correctly. So I want to continue to produce these videos that teach, that educate, that break down and simplify these concepts. So for those reasons, I've decided that now that we're at 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to start a Patreon community for the Bo Academy. And you can join and access that community to get direct access to me at patreon.boacademy.org or community.boacademy.org. You can visit one of those links to join our Patreon community. Every patron in our community, you guys, will have direct access, priority access to request videos and ask me direct questions about your investment portfolios and what you would like me to cover in future videos. Of course, I will continue to accept requests from all of you on which topics to cover, but patrons will get priority access. The request of patrons who support this channel and help us grow will always come first, right? Because I'm going to need a lot of help to get this channel to more investors, to help more investors learn how to invest the right way and build their wealth the right way. 100% of the contributions from our patrons will continue to go back to reinvesting and growing this channel, to growing the Bo Academy to reach and help more investors like yourself. And our patron contributions start at just $12 per month. If you go to patreon.boacademy.org, you can see a breakdown of all of the benefits to becoming a patron of Bo Academy, to being a supporter of this channel. But besides that, we want to do something special to kick off our Patreon community. The first 10 patrons in our community will get to ask me any question they want, and I will answer all of those questions in a video with your name and optionally a website that you would like me to promote on the video. And going forward, once we reach our first 10 patrons, we will give away $200 every month to one of our top 20 most engaged patrons each month. And this will help you have more money to do with it whatever you want. You can invest it, right? I would suggest you invest that money, but it's your money to do with it as you please. So what will the funds from our patrons be used for? We'll use the funds to create more explainer videos to simply explain investing concepts in a way that you can understand and actually go on to use in your investment strategies. We'll use the funds to do more research and publish more analysis on company stocks. I also want to use the funds to create more investor resources and guided learning experiences for all of you so that you can learn at your own pace and in a structured fashion. And of course, I'm going to use some of the funds to do marketing to help this channel reach more investors. And then of course, merch, right? We're going to create merch, stickers, mugs, t-shirts, right? People have asked me to create merch and I want to do that. So we're going to use the funds to create some merch, right? It's not too expensive. It will come out of the funds and it will help us all be in community. And eventually I want to hire a small team of researchers and video creators to help me do more research and publish more explainer videos. There's a lot of topics to cover and I can't cover them all myself. So as we grow, I'm going to bring on some help to produce more videos for all of you. And finally, the funds from our patrons will help me spend more time engaging with all of you, answering all of your questions and concerns, and starting that Discord channel that many of you have asked for, right? So that we can have more intimate discussions and I can share more content with all of you on a daily basis. I want to evolve the Bull Academy to be something like the Khan Academy, where we teach every investing concept out there so that you all have a breadth of knowledge to understand exactly what you're getting into as you grow in your investing journey. I want to teach these concepts in a simple way that everyone can understand and get started building their wealth, right? Investing should not be as complicated as they make it. It's not that complicated. It's just they use lots of jargon and make it seem complicated so that you pay the managers lots of money to manage your money for you because it seems scary. It's not that scary, right? And I want to break all of these concepts down so that you can control your money on your own, so that you don't have to pay some fund manager who's getting paid more than what they're actually returning you, right? That's why I created the Bull Academy, and that's what I want to evolve the Bull Academy into a resource for everyone to understand investing concepts and build their wealth the right way. That's why I'm starting this Patreon community. I want to do more to help my community and the people around me learn how to invest and build wealth too. And I'm going to need your help to achieve those goals. I appreciate you being here and committing to learning how to invest. And if you want to join our Patreon community and support the channel and help the channel grow, then you can do that by visiting patreon.bullacademy.org or community.bullacademy.org. And as always, whatever you choose to do, always remember to practice the bull mentality, right? The bull mentality is that we know what we invest in. We understand what we invest in. We believe in what we invest in, and we hold for the long term because that's how we build wealth in this country. That's how we give ourselves the best chance at success on the stock market. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video below, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know the next time we publish a new video, and comment below what your thoughts are on this Patreon community, and let me know what you would like to see going forward from bullacademy.org. I'm Lincoln with bullacademy.org. Thank you again, and have a great day.